Okay, what's going on mga bossing? Welcome back again to Boy Bukas Toy Box. This is Alvin at your service. So this time we're going to unbox an old releases. So this one is, just to tell you properly, I already have this for a long time, but I'm trying to complete the 3 sets of these cool ladies. So here we go to start with the 3 episode. So to start with the 3 ladies, here we go. We got Dianan A. So I'm sure you guys, if you're followers or fans of Mazinger, you know this guy. You know how badass this girl is. So let's go. Let's unbox this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so we got now the Dianan A Super Mazinger Angels. Okay, so this is the first one out of 3. So let's open now. Okay, so this is really a very old release from Bandai or Soulofchogokin line. This is released 2004. Okay, so yeah, see all those like trays yellowish in color now. Ooh, and hopefully still in good conditions. Never have this or opened this for a long time since I purchased it. But it is already a second hand when I buy this one. But let's see. I think it still looks like, they say it's new. So I guess it's really new. There you go. You got the sticker here. And what else do we have here? And the manual. So let's, why not, right? Let's open it. Okay, so yeah, this really cool sticker for the stand or the base. And here you go. So very simple manual here. You know, not much of a features going on here or much gimmick. So yeah, so usual. So those secret weapons, right? And of course the special sword here. Okay, there you go. So let's put it back. And here we go. So yeah, I don't usually put the stickers on the base because I don't usually display it with, display it with a base. So okay, let's just okay, let's start with a base here. Just this is already here. There you go. Looking good. Okay, very simple base, yeah. So just need to stick like the nameplate here. There you go. And we got 2 like a blaster here. So maybe you can call it like a gun. Okay, oh, really. So this is really an old stock or a dead stock. The tape still the original tape. At hindi pa siya nabubuksan talaga. Okay. Oh, that's too much. Too much Scotch tape going on here. Okay. There you go, see? Plastic, still the original plastic. So let's take it out. So this one, pure plastic. Really lightweight. I don't see any or feel like it's heavy. But it's really cool. Cool weapon. Right? It's nice weapons. Left and right. Oh, it's really a bad ass weapons here. Okay, let's put it aside here. And we got more weapons going on here. So on part of the base stand. So we got 1, 2. Yeah, so 2 set of hands here. And you know, those weapons. And the sword. I think this is also from the hands, like what do you call that? Like Mazinger C. Okay, let's take it out. I hope they stop doing that. I don't know if it's from the manufacturing that start putting this tape or from the distributor. Because some of them, when I got it, they don't have any tape. So, okay, so there you go. Oh, pretty nice. Very cool. Shiny. So anyway, this is really the metallic version of all those 3 angels, right? So this was pure metallic color all over. Okay. So as you can see, it will fire. I'll show you that later. Okay, I think this one when. Just to cover it. Not too sure if this is also a weapon. And yeah, you can see it nicely. Let's take it out. And there you go. Nice. So a set of closed fists or closed hands and open hands. Nice. You guys think about that? Pretty cool. Not so metallic though, right? Okay. And we got this. Another weapon. Oh, this also. Oh no, you can see the paint, right? It's, gee, oh. So that's why if it's not an acid-free plastic, that's what's gonna happen. Oh man, that's kind of sticky. I can touch it now. That's a problem with the old toys. There you go, my bossing. Okay. I hope it will go dry once I remove it from the plastic. And back to its original. I hope, yeah, at least the paint is not like peeled off or gone, right? So just like the top coating only. Only the top coating has been. Yeah, I don't want to touch it because it's really wet and sticky. So there you go, my bossing. So make sure you remove it from the plastic when you put it back or keep it. Okay, because if it's not an acid-free plastic, that's what's really gonna happen. Okay, there you go. And we got some characters here. Not too sure which one is the driver. Maybe her name was Dianan. So there you go. This is the motorcycle, her motorcycle. Pretty cool. So I think, yeah, it's a good character. And of course, here you go, the sword. I'm glad the sword is still in good condition. The paint is still okay. So almost the same as the other sword, like Aphrodite and Minerva, or what's the other one? Venus. Yeah, that's the other one. I think Minerva X is not included to this series. They only have 3, right? And I only have 2, so probably I will get Aphrodite. Okay, so go, and of course, the other part of the stand. Right, so let's put it on. Is this supposed to be this way or this way? Okay, so after checking the manual, it's supposed to be this way. There you go. Okay, this one can go this here. Okay, kind of tight. Okay, just for now, you can really push it. And this one can go here to put the sword. There I don't hear the click sound, so not comfortable. That is already good. Okay, there you go. Oh, shoot. Okay, so it's really hard to push it so hard. Now it's broken. It's really brittle now, right? So it's really all toys. Anyway, not a big deal. Let's moving on. Let's open Dianan. There you go. Let's take it out. And there you go. Oh, there you go. One thing that's really special about this version or release is that this is full alloy or full die cast, right? Only the head is not, but the whole body is in die cast totally. Even the sandals, or yeah. There you go. Show some articulations here. Yeah, so it's like double joint. Really special joint here. And yeah, this one, it's like a ball joint. So you can do like 360 here. Okay, let's take it out so the paint will not. There you go. Okay. The torso, not much. You can split, no, not much. Can kick. I mean, she can kick. Yeah, see the angel, Mazinger, angels. Mazinger is the luckiest robot ever. Got lots of angels. Right? So, Koji Koboto, or what's the other one? Yeah, lucky guy. There you go. Nice. So, not much going on here, but it's really cool. So, the head. Okay, let's see how tall is this. Okay. So, we got almost 7, like 6.75 inches. Really cool. Okay, let's do give some wide, so like 2 inches. Nice, really nice. So maybe let's try to put some. Okay.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
I'm glad the metallic pencil is really in good condition compared
Yeah, I'm
to
about to
this
fade
one.
away. Cause every
I
time
know
I
what
wake up,
happened
I
there,
feel
what
like
kind
it's
of paint, because
Monday.
maybe
Something's
it's
going
because of the
wrong,
red
thought
dye they
panic
use.
goes up in my brain. All of a
Right?
sudden, I
Or
don't
red
look at
paint they
anything the
use
same
with
way.
different
Gotta build up of my
chemical
thoughts sitting
reactions
in an
going on there.
ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so
Okay.
inconvenient.
So
Okay,
looks
just
good
let
with
me
this
be
hand.
me, and I'll stay out of the
And
way. I
let's
can see the way
try
you look at me.
the
I'm such a
open
disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and
Okay, the
why
one that
you
I
never
break supposed
said
to
you
hold
felt
the
that way. And guess you're trying to
this
stay
here.
strong and fake a smile until I
maybe I'll try
look
to
away. But I've known you too long,
put some glue
it hurts
on
to watch
that,
your blue
holder.
eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Okay, so there you go, mga bossing. You just new here, or you accident? I hope not accidentally click to play the video. Thank you for doing that and for reaching this part. So please do me a favor, smash the subscribe buttons now. And if you can, hit the notification bell icon, that will be great to keep you updated with our latest video. I'm gonna open more of these Mazinger Angels release. They only have 3, but for now I only have 2, so maybe in the next few weeks I will open the second one, and hopefully I can buy the third one, which is Aphrodite A. So watch out for that, mga bossing. So, and if you like this video, why not, right? Just click the like buttons and share nyo rin sa mga friends nyo, mga other collectors of Japanese robot there. At syempre, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode and peace out!
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray